Hey guys, this is Diamond Girl 34 and welcome to a new series I'm going to start. As you've probably noticed, you can hear my voice again. So I've recently got a new microphone and it's a headset, so the microphone won't be constantly slipping down. There's a bit of an echo because I've got the headphones and the microphone because it's a headset, and it's sort of echoing back. But that's okay because you can hear my voice twice. And as you guys know, I absolutely am in love with wolves, and on my Minecraft skin, I am a half wolf. So the new series I'm starting is Wolf Quest. Clapping. First life as wolf load. I'm so excited for this. You are a 2-year-old grey wolf born in the northern range of Yellowstone National Park. You learn the ways of the wolf in your birth pack. Now it's time for you to find a home and build your own family. Your first step and your quest for this fall season on the slopes of Amethyst Mountain. I'm so sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Is to find a mate. Somewhere out there is such a wolf, and don't forget to hunt elk along the way, or you won't survive long. My wolf is a greyish wolf. It's basically the wolf version of Diamond. It was called Diamond, but then something went wrong and I'm just called No Name. Yeah. So, Bingo Quest. I've played this for a little bit, but then I died. So that didn't go so well.
Might start again.
Yeah.
Like it did last time.
Okay. Not some lag here. A hair? There's a hair somewhere. Yum. Okay? Bit gross.
Yeah.
Yum.
Ew.
Poor elk. Poor elk carcass. I'm sorry, elk. Oh! Goodness! Oh, goodness. So, well, that's that carcass done for. I'm going to eat it when, like, the wolf head comes up, I think. Okay, guys, watch this. Oopsie.
You hold.
Woo! Oh, it's mine. Darn it. Oopsie. There's a hair. I wonder if I can eat it. Oh no!
Great.
Oh no! Oh, this lag! I didn't know that it could lag like this.
I think it's funny.
No way! Oh, this is the worst start.
Can't go in the forest.
I can't go in the forest.
And you're floating.
I'm floating. Is this a glitch? Guys, if you've played Wolf Quest, can you tell me if that's a glitch? Because I keep, like, floating. I'm a magical wolf. Oh, the lag's so bad. I'm getting so annoyed. Run, Wolfie, run! I think I'm just gonna lie down for a second and go to sleep. Why is it not, like, giving me any, like, ideas for when I can sleep to? Because when I last did that, it said, like, sleep till dusk or something. I wonder if I could go towards wolf-like territory, and maybe I could get, like, a wolf friend. A wolf. Ah! Okay, this is scary. Run, Diamond, run! Just have to sleep and rest. Sit down. Hopefully I can just sit down and rest because it told me how to do it. Come on, let's go to sleep, honey, and not die. I'm like sleeping on, like, the slant. It's like, woo. Come on, ask me when to sleep to. Rest. Sleep. Is there like Z? Z. Sleep till dawn. Lovely. I knew how to do it for a little bit, but then I was just like, sorry, how am I doing this? I thought you just had to like rest. Right. 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 Okay. Am I up? I think I'm up. I'm up and awake.
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am. Wait, am I running? I want to be running towards wolf territory because the first quest is to get a mate and make a little family and stuff. Oh, what's over there? Oh, I think that's like food. Because like I can't run and run. Okay. I should probably just not float right now. I can't run like towards this.
Why, there's a lot of
There's
food
so
around.
many rotting carcasses. This is so gross. Oh, what's that? Maybe I could smell it. Male coyote. 1 minute ago.
1 minute.
I'm sorry, elk. Come on. Oh, the camera's going so crazy. Oh, oh, this is so annoying. I just can't. Where the food is, the bear is. So I'm also going to have to watch out. I think like the female grizzly bears, they're the worst. Oh, okay, we're having some lag. The female grizzly bears, they're worse than the males because the females are trying to feed their babies, so they're like really protective. Grizzly bears usually have cubs. Are they called cubs when they're bears, or are they called pups? Is pups for like pups are for dogs? Cubs are for like anything else. For horses it's a foal, but there are no horses in this game, so I don't even know why we're talking about this. Okay, so we're looking for wolf territory, and okay, what is this? What? Male hair? I think the hair's orange, coyotes are blue, grizzly bears, I think. What even are grizzlies again? Just watch this, guys. You have to watch this. No, I'm howling. The life of a wolf. Yes. Anyway, moving on from that. Oh, this is even a higher bit. Oh, this is amazing. I just don't want to fall off. 3, 2, 1. I could do that all day. Well, what's that? Is that a wolf? Oh my days! Down there. Guys, do you see that? Do you see it?
That might be a wolf.
It might be a wolf. I have to follow this thing. But I don't know if I can even do it. If there's a wolf, I don't even know if it's going to be friendly. By the way, guys, I'm in a single player, so the wolf's just like part of the game. It's not like another person. I might try multiplayer like in the future, but right now I'm just going to be on my own. Except for the computer programmed wolves. I did see that wolf, guys. Please, did you see that? And is it a wolf? Was it a wolf, guys? Was it a wolf? Oh, was that? I thought that was like a dead coyote. It looked smaller from far away. Can I just eat this, please, without lagging? Oh, I suppose I just nourished myself. I don't know. I just love like standing on the peak and just like howling because it's just like, woo! I want to find myself a friend. Oh, the camera's going crazy. I think I just got stuck on a rock or something. I do need to claim some territory though. It's a deer. Oh, it's a coyote. Why are there no deer in this game? Okay, I'm just getting stuck. Okay, that is definite wolf territory. This is definite wolf territory. We're going to have to end the video soon. I really want to end the video by not flying into the air. I want to end the video by like claiming some territory. So I'll be back in 2 seconds when I found like a suitable den. Sliding down a map. Okay guys, I found land that's like in between wolf land and grizzly bear land. So in the next episode we'll try and claim this. But right now, see you later.